Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to send disappearing photos on Telegram. Let's go. Telegram disappearing photos are temporary and automatically delete themselves after a set amount of time. It's a great way to share photos without worrying about them being saved or shared by others. First of all, open up the Telegram app. Then tap Chats. After that, select the chat with the person you want to send a disappearing photo to. Then tap on the paperclip icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then, select the photo that you want to send. What you want to do next is tap on this button. Then choose how long the media will be kept. After it's opened by the recipient, for example, you can set it to 3 seconds, meaning that after 3 seconds of opening the photo, it will vanish from the chat and then simply send the photo. Once the recipient opens the photo, they will only have that specific amount of time to view it before it disappears from the chat. This feature is easy to use and gives you more control over your media sharing on Telegram. Now, when I open the image, you can see that Telegram says you took a screenshot. This is because I am screen recording it. So whenever a person takes a screenshot of disappearing photo, you will be notified. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.